is Spotter!
Hi everyone and welcome to my very first house update. A lot of things have been happening. So, if you're new here, then welcome. If you enjoy this video, please go and have a look at my other house videos and please hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any more reservation stuff. Reservation? Renovation stuff. There'll be hauls, there'll be renovation stuff, lots of house things going on, decorate with me, that kind of stuff. Good stuff. If you are already a subscriber, thank you. Welcome back. A lot of stuff has been happening, guys. There'll be lots of footage in here. It'll be like a vlog, if you like. So I'm just going to do this formal bit right now. The things that we've got happening. Oven is being fixed, right? Not fixed, put in. Fridge is here, or fridge freezer even. Washing machine is here. Bathroom is being done. The wall in the boys' rooms is being done. We need to get the electrics rewired. That's being done. So there is a lot going on in this week. So please like and subscribe. Please follow this. Please like this video. What am I saying? If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. If you like the thread videos, comment. I don't know what I'm saying. If you like it, then like it. If you've got something to say, then comment about it. If you don't want to miss out, if you want to see what happens, then hit the notification bell, isn't it? Simples. So, I'm going to show you the state. I'll insert the video of the state of the bathroom first. There may or may not be videos of the work happening. I will show you the video of the rooms before the wall goes up and after. I will show you the look of the space where the oven's going to go and after. I will show you the fridge freezer and the washing machine. Not all the storage is done with that yet, so it's not really going to be very effective, but I will show you the progress so far in this video. So let's get into it. So as you can see, this is the area where the oven is going to go. Please do excuse the mess of the kitchen. Currently trying to organise the cupboards and just, you know, it's like, so this bit here, obviously there was an oven here before, a normal standard size oven. So we're going to get rid of maybe 3/4 of that or half of that and put the range oven in there. We are going to change these tiles, but we're going to get the oven in and we'll see what happens. I'm going to get rid of that thing, that's horrible. So here is the fridge freezer. I absolutely love it. I love it so much. And here is the washing machine and dryer. Again, we're going to have the radiator that you can see poking in there up there upright. We're going to have storage at the top here and around here and here. And I'm going to get one of those country stools as well so you can stand up high. So that's the utility so far. Love, love, love that fridge freezer. As you can see, we have taken all of the banisters off of the walls and stuff because they're just not needed. The boys' rooms, excuse the mess, they've been playing this morning. So as you can see, this is one room at the moment, obviously. 2 sets of windows. So the wall is going to come here. So in between those lights there, that's where the wall's going to be. So Oakley's going to have all of that space. And then Austin is going to have all of that space. So his hanging thing is going to go there. And then he's going to have all of this area to play, hopefully. Maybe his drawers can go there. Probably not safe underneath the hanging thing, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. And the bathroom at the moment is looking like this. We've ripped out all of the disabled bits and pieces. And we've taken all the cupboards off and everything. We're going to get rid of all the tiles this weekend. And this is going to be an upright heater radiator as well. We are going to replace this door, obviously. I do quite like this handle though, so if we can make that like a brass handle, that will fit quite nicely with the Victorian sink. So yeah, we're going to get rid of all of this. I want to have something new put in. Maybe we'll have the toilet put there and the sink put there, so that we can have the maybe we'll have the sink put here, so that we can have the stuff there, like the mirror and stuff, and then obviously the toilet there. I don't know if that's possible because the system and stuff and the wiring, so we'll see. So this is the update so far. It's been 3 weeks since the last video, or the last update should I say, and nothing much has happened. We had the tiles taken out, or some of them. The guy hasn't been to do the wall, and that was 3 weeks ago. We haven't had him in at all. And just like the wall, the oven hasn't been put in either. And we're just waiting for the electrics to be done. It's still been 3 weeks. We've done some drawings of where we want new sockets and things. But I mean, there's some bits out here that have been done, and some cables. We're also going to get spotlights put in here and the other side, instead of these god awful strip lights. So yeah, I don't know what we're doing with that. We're not doing anything with that right now. So, and some cables running through the ceilings and things. The most progress is here in the formal lounge. Remember guys, that's it. If you liked this video, like it and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. You don't miss out. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked the things that we've done to the house so far. If you're having your house done, tell me about it. I'd love to hear about your experiences and the things that you're going to get done. And I would love to hear what you think about ours as well. If you don't like it, that's absolutely fine. Hey, each to their own. I've got to live here. So, I've been Julie. You've been lovely. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.